Life, life, oh life, life, why do you hate me this much? Why are you treating me like this? I've been climbing mountains, I've been turning corners, but still, nothing has changed yet. I'm still struggling. But life, why do you hate me this much? So now, who's gonna be my caretaker? Who's gonna be my provider? Who's gonna be my comforter? Because all my loved ones are grounded. Even my father is no more. I am all alone in this cruel world. And I think God has forsaken me. What have I done wrong? If there is nothing wrong I have done, then why are you treating me like this? Why do you hate me this much? Why? But why? Oh my God. Why am I suffering like this? What wrong have I done to deserve all these sufferings? This is too much for me. I can't take it anymore. Who did I offend? Life, who are you? Are you a human being or what? Do you know how I feel? But life, why are you so heartless? Why are you treating me like a nobody? Why life?